Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you an easy way to fix the Yahoo Mail login problem. So make sure to watch till the end. If you're having trouble logging into the Yahoo Mail app, don't keep trying from the same page repeatedly. Instead, if you're using an Android phone, long press the Yahoo Mail app icon, tap the I, Info button, then scroll down to Storage and tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Once that's done, reopen the Yahoo Mail app and try logging in again. Double check that your email and password are correct. Many login issues happen due to wrong credentials. If you've forgotten your password or username, just tap the Forgot Password or Forgot Username option to reset it easily. And that's it. You've now fixed the Yahoo Mail login issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick tech guides.